Alright guys, so first I'm starting with my favorite moisturizer in the world, my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I am applying so much on my face until I'm super moisturized. Next I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. It just gives my face the most beautiful glow in the whole entire world. And now taking my Tom Ford Bronzing Primer and my L'Oreal Magic Lumi Foundation and mixing them together, it just gives me the most beautiful bronzed glow. But does anyone else think the Tom Ford bronzer smells so weird? Like, you're gonna watch me sniff it in a second. I think it smells so strange. And then taking my Too Faced concealer and applying it underneath my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm just blending it out. Wait, I swear I sniff it. There it is. There it is. I'm so strange. I'm sorry. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is the best powder from the drugstore. It makes my skin look so good. And I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Bronzing Glow. The bronzer in this is bomb. It makes me look so bronzy, like a bronzed goddess. I'm just applying it everywhere, literally everywhere. And taking a smaller brush, I'm really defining my cheekbones so I can look like I have some structure to my face, and not like a big round circle. And I'm taking my Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighten. This blush is so pretty, it just gives you like a bright glow to your cheeks. Next, taking my KYLIE Cosmetics highlighter in Snow Angel. This highlighter is blinding. We love a blinding highlighter. Now taking my Morphe setting spray and literally drenching myself in it. Like, I apply so much. Airing myself off because I'm literally drenched, and now I'm just doing something. I honestly don't know, but I decided to leave it in. And thumbs up if you're part of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee, because I am the president. Next I'm taking my Dose of Colors DESI X KATY palette, and I'm starting off with the lightest shade and just running it through my crease. Now taking the deeper brown, and I'm going to run that through my crease as well, focusing it on the outer corner of my eye. And then taking the deeper burgundy brown shade, and I'm going to really focus this on the outer corner and the upper crease, making it super smoked out. And I'm just taking that same shade and I'm applying it underneath my lash line on the outer edge. And now I'm just taking this light pinkish gold sparkly shade and putting it in my inner corner and on my lid to really give me a glowy look. Now I'm taking my brown pencil liner and I'm applying it super messy. You don't see this because I actually didn't film this part, but I end up smudging it out in the end. So I don't leave it like this at all. I really smudge it out with a brush. Next I'm taking my Wander Beauty Unlashed mascara and my Kiss eyelash curler, one of my two favorite things, and I am stacking on that mascara because their lashes are gorgeous. And I really didn't want to use fake ones because I thought it would take away from like the natural look. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil and doing that off camera real quick. And taking my KYLIE Cosmetics lip liner in Kismis and lining my lips, and yes, I overlined them maybe a bit too much, but I'm all for it, to be honest. And I'm filling it in with the same color. Now I'm taking my DIOR lip gloss in Shock and my Too Faced Melted Matte in Peony, and I'm applying the Peony shade first, and then I'm going over top of it with my Dior lip gloss. Now putting more of the Morphe setting spray on, because the more the merrier. And I'm just taking my same highlighter I put on my face and just kind of putting it on my collarbones, because your girl don't have collarbones. She has to really pop them out. And just applying it everywhere. And putting my favorite Victoria's Secret perfume on, which is TEASE. And this is the final look, guys. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!